Welcome back. Let's talk about the news that may not be good, especially for the people of Karnataka, because continuing with the long list of increasing prices, the Congress-led Karnataka Sarkara has implemented yet another hike, and this time it is on milk, and that is also by 4 rupees per litre. Now, the revised prices will be applicable from the 1st of April. After months of speculation over price rise, the decision was taken in the cabinet meeting. It has to be recalled here that this second milk price hike since Congress came to power in the state in 2023. The last hike was on 26th of June in 2024, a 2 rupee hike that was imposed on all variants of milk. Now let's take a look as far as when it comes to milk prices that have now been hiked. What was the prices before and what are the prices now they are looking like? So the previous hike that was announced on June 2024 on the 26th of date, and now it has now been hiked. As far as the BJP has also attacked when it comes to the Congress party over these essential items and the hike that has now been announced in several of those items as well. So however, when it comes to the prices of milk, how it was before and what is the new hike, and it is now going to be implemented soon. So toned milk now will be priced at 42 rupees. After the hike there, it will be at 46 rupees. Currently, when it comes to homogenized milk, it amounts to 43 rupees. After the hike, it will go up to 47 rupees. Cow milk in green packet that currently is of 46 rupees. The price will go up when the new price comes into effect at 50 rupees. Shubham saffron packet that currently is at 48 rupees, 4 rupees, the price will be increased to 52 rupees. Curds as well going up, as far as currently priced at 50 rupees will now be going up to 54 rupees. Let's in the meantime also talk about when it comes to the reactions that have been coming in, because the Congress's price pain for the Janta has gone up significantly, especially when it comes to essential items. The bus fare hike, one of the most controversial decisions that was taken this year, 15% steep hike in bus fares that was announced. Electricity too. Now there have been hikes that have now been announced. Back in June 2023, electricity prices went up to 2.89 rupees, increased by per unit. Liquor prices also going up in July 2023, where there was a 20% hike that was announced on excise duty itself. Now transport as well being very important as far as essential commodity is also concerned. In the year 2023-24 budget, it was announced that 3% transport cess hike when it comes to the commercial vehicles. Petrol and diesel, the prices that has also gone up. The announcement that was made last year in June, where petrol and diesel prices went up by rupees 3 and it was hiked per litre. The stamp duty prices had also been hiked up significantly. This decision was also a controversial one. Back in December 2023, the stamp duty was hiked by 200 to 500%. It was applicable for nearly 25 types of documents. Government hospital fees. Now this is very important as far as the people they are availing treatment. On the 1st of November back in 2024, government hospital fees hike on all BMCRI run hospitals, especially when it comes to OPD registration, blood test and other scans. All of those prices that had now gone up. Now even when it comes to the BJP leaders who have now come down heavily on the Congress Sarkara, calling the price hike as a daylight robbery of the common man. Blaming the 5 guarantee schemes for the price hike, the BJP leaders accused the government of being unable to come up with an efficient policy that protects the interests of both dairy farmers and the public.
So many places, so many milk federations, the amount is not paid regularly to the farmers. You have increased the price of petrol, diesel, transport, bus charges, everything is increased. In the name of farmers, Karnataka Congress government is doing loot. In the name of guarantees, Congress government is doing loot and treasury is getting emptied. Now, it's a turn that Karnataka Congress government is showing its back to the people of Karnataka and backstabbing Kannadigas.
On the other hand, the Congress leaders have defended the price hike, saying the decision benefits the dairy farmers who are in a difficult situation. Countering the accusations of the BJP, the Congress leaders and the Karnataka Milk Federation says that earlier the BJP government also hiked petrol and LPG cylinder prices.
बीजेपी कभी भी यही पॉलिटिक्स करता है। नहीं फिर 400 रुपए से गैस सिलेंडर 1200 हुआ, 40 रुपए से डीजल 8 रुपीस हुआ, 60 रुपीस से पेट्रोल आज कितना हुआ
तो आप भी इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, वो भी इंक्रीज?
नहीं नहीं, ये किसान को दे रहे हैं, वो लोग किसान को दिए क्या? हम किसान को दे रहे हैं।
The decision will be taken by KMF. Decision will be taken by KMF in consultation with the concerned ministers. The decision may be taken in a day or two.
Sir, what is the
reports are saying that 4 rupees increase, sir. The report suggests that the cabinet has given approval for 4 rupees.
Nothing specifically in that fashion the decision is taken, but we have left it to KMF to decide. They will take decision perhaps
What was the
today.
purpose of the